What are shares? Shares, also known as stocks or equities, represent units of ownership in a company. They are a type of security that gives the holder an ownership stake in a corporation and a claim on a portion of the company's profits and assets. Shares are usually traded on stock exchanges, which are platforms where people can buy and sell stocks. When a company wants to raise money, it can do so by issuing shares to the public through an initial public offering, IPO. This process involves the company going public and selling shares to the general public for the first time. When people buy shares, they become shareholders and own a piece of the company. The number of shares a person owns directly corresponds to the percentage of ownership they have in the company. Owning shares in a company can bring financial benefits to the shareholder. As the company grows and generates profits, its stock price may increase, leading to an appreciation in the value of the shares. This can result in capital gains for the shareholder when they choose to sell their shares. Additionally, companies may pay dividends to shareholders, which are distributions of the company's profits. However, owning shares also involves risk. The value of a company's stock can also decrease, leading to a decline in the value of the shares and resulting in capital losses for the shareholder. The stock market can be volatile and subject to market conditions, such as economic recessions or changes in the industry, which can impact the performance of individual stocks. The stock market provides a platform for companies to raise capital and for individuals to invest in companies and potentially earn a profit through the appreciation of the value of their shares. It also provides a way for companies to increase their visibility and attract investors. The stock market is an important indicator of the overall performance of a country's economy and reflects the confidence of investors in the future prospects of the economy and individual companies. In conclusion, shares are units of ownership in a company that give the holder a stake in the company's profits and assets. The stock market is the platform where shares are bought and sold, and provides a way for companies to raise capital and for individuals to invest in companies and potentially earn a profit. Investing in shares can be a valuable source of income, but it also involves risk and requires careful consideration of the potential rewards and risks involved.